Two streaming giants, Disney Plus and Sling TV, both promise endless entertainment. But which one truly delivers? On the left, Disney Plus, magic for everyone, filled with movies, Marvel, Pixar, and more. And on the right, Sling TV, your flexible, affordable live TV solution. Let's skip the marketing and get straight to how each service stacks up. We'll break things down category by category, with points awarded along the way. At the end, you'll see exactly who wins in 2025. The final verdict might surprise you. Okay, before we jump in, here's a bird's eye view, or sort of a mind map of what we're comparing today. We've got price, content and channels, streaming type, device and simultaneous streams, DVR/offline viewing, availability and local coverage, and, super important, family and kids. Ready? So first up, the price. Let's talk Disney Plus. This one's got that lower entry price tag if you just want on-demand stuff. And if you bundle it with Hulu or ESPN Plus, you actually get a lot of value. Only catch? The base plan won't give you live TV. And if you go all in on the bundle, yeah, your bill grows a bit. Now for Sling TV. Sling wins for affordable live channels. Seriously, it's the cheapest legit live cable alternative out there. Tons of customizations and add-ons too, which sounds amazing until, well, you realize the price can ramp up kind of fast. Those first month discounts are cool, but they bounce pretty quickly. So, for overall value, especially if you don't really care about live TV, Disney Plus takes it. Now, content and channels. Disney Plus is like your vault for all things Disney, Marvel, Pixar, Star Wars, Nat Geo, plus those oh-so-bingeable originals like Loki and The Mandalorian. Perfect for families, but you're not getting much in the way of new blockbusters that aren't Disney. And again, live TV? Nope, unless you pay for that extra bundle. Sling TV? This one's built for live TV, meaning you get ESPN, all sorts of news and sports, lifestyle stuff, even some locals depending on where you live. It's awesome for cord cutters because you can set it up the way you want, but CBS is missing, some locals are hit or miss, and the most popular channels? A few of them need add-ons. Honestly, it's a pretty close tie here. Depends what you like to watch. All right, let's talk streaming type. Disney Plus is king for on-demand. You get top-quality streams and, yes, downloads for offline watching. But if you're looking for real-time channel surfing, nope, that's not here unless you, again, go for the bundle. With Sling TV, though, you step into the live TV world. It's got all those add-ons for sports, kids, news, even international stuff, so super flexible. Although, I gotta say, figuring out whether you're on orange, blue, or some combo might make you question everything. And local channel coverage? Not always perfect. But, big win for Sling here, especially if you want genuine live television. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Sling TV was actually the very first app-based TV service in the United States, way before most people even thought streaming TV was a thing. And Disney Plus? Well, it's the only place you can watch every single Disney classic ever made, which is basically childhood, right? Let's talk about devices and simultaneous streams. Disney Plus is basically everywhere. Smart TVs, streaming boxes, game consoles, your phone, tablet. If it's got a screen, it's probably got Disney Plus. Plus, you can stream on 4 devices at once, which, honestly, is more than most families need. No real drawbacks there. With Sling, it also supports all major streaming gadgets, but here's the catch. The orange plan? You only get 1 stream at a time. The blue plan lets you do 3, which feels more reasonable, but still, not as generous as Disney Plus. Want more? You've got to upgrade. So, Disney Plus just feels easier for households who want to watch their own thing at the same time. Now for DVR and offline viewing. Disney Plus is all about on-demand. Want to grab something to watch offline? Easy. Mobile downloads are there. No fuss. Sling TV, on the other hand, leans into its cloud DVR. You get 50 hours for free, but if your house is all about recording sports, you'll probably need to pay extra for more space. And a biggie, there's no real offline downloading like, say, on a plane. So between the two, Disney Plus takes this round. Availability and local coverage. Let's go. Disney Plus is global. You can use it in tons of countries, and the library is super consistent wherever it's supported. Just remember, not every region gets exactly the same stuff. Now, Sling TV, This is where it gets a little iffy. You only get local channels in select big markets, and CBS is straight up missing. But cool move. Sometimes they throw in a free HD antenna to fill in for local news and sports. Rural folks? Sorry, Sling's not as smooth there. So, if you want something that actually works everywhere, Disney Plus just makes more sense. Family and kids time. This one's huge. Disney Plus is, let's be honest, the GOAT when it comes to kids content. Disney, Pixar, superheroes, it's basically built for families. And you've got parental controls plus kid profiles, so you don't have to worry. With Sling, you can tack on some kids networks, but it's not really that robust. And parental controls aren't nearly as strong. So, for peace of mind and lots of happy little faces, Disney Plus wins easily. Let's look at the overall landscape. If you want family entertainment, originals, reliable access, Disney Plus is top dog. Sling TV totally has the upper hand for live TV flexibility, but some quirks make it tricky for everyone. So here's the gut check. If you just want endless family-friendly stuff, originals, and easy streaming, go Disney Plus. If what you really want is to replace your cable box and channel surf, Sling TV is where you should be. But between them, Disney Plus feels like the easier, more crowd-pleasing pick. Was this side-by-side helpful? You can compare other streaming services here anytime. Just stream smart so you never miss your favorite